I'm so glad to have Punit with us today. Punit is a thought leader in the privacy space, and with the AI scene heating up in Europe, Punit is bringing all of his seasoned expertise in GDPR, data privacy, compliance, and regulations into the AI front. So, Punit, welcome and thank you for taking the time to share your wisdom with us.
Thank you so much, Saurabh, for having me. You guys are doing a wonderful job. And I think in the field of AI and privacy, this is going to be so relevant in coming years.
Absolutely. So, let me start off with this question. Do you think is AI going to kill jobs?
I'll give you two answers, one the philosophical answer and the other one the real answer. Philosophically, when the industrial revolution happened, people said it will kill the job. Cars are here. Nothing is going to happen. When horses came, oh, horses will take our jobs. Otherwise, manual labor will go away. Then we also, very recently, I will not take you through 5,000 years of history. Otherwise, we will be all the time here. But then in the dot-com boom, again, we were saying computers are going to take it away and so on and so forth. And it all reminds me of a quote from J.F. Kennedy. What he said is, if a man is smart enough to create machines that can take its job, man is also smart enough to create jobs which can work in addition to machines. So I follow that. And I think there are two parts to the real answer. Yes, AI will kill jobs, but no, AI will not kill jobs. Yes, because jobs will change. So if you're looking at your job, my job, and anyone's jobs, in current sense, it will change. It will transform completely because we will be working with machines. So yes, our jobs will
Right.
not remain, but we will have different kind of job, different type of job. So computer working with us, computer cannot do it all by itself. And if you remember when the computerization of banks happened, financial sector happened, people were saying jobs will be gone. They didn't. But those who were not willing to adopt computers, they had to let go of their jobs. Same thing will happen now. New jobs will come, new roles will come, but jobs will be there and we all will be employed in a different.
Very interesting answer. And I agree. I think with every new technology revolution, there is a set of jobs that were deprecated, and there is a whole new set of industries offering service jobs, job profiles that were created overnight, and that churn hasn't stopped so far in the history of humanity.